How to enable Siri on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can enable Hey Siri on your iPhone. So, let's dive right in. Open up your settings app and then head over to Siri. Now, there, tap on Talk to Siri and then to enable it, tap on Hey Siri. Now tap on Enable Siri on the pop-up below, and now you'll need to set up Siri and help Siri recognize your voice. It will give you different phrases that you need to speak out loud, and Siri will recognize your voice. So, after reading out all the phrases given by Siri, Siri will set it up. Now, iPhone will listen for Hey Siri at the beginning of request, and once you're talking to Siri, you can add another request without saying Hey Siri again. And that's it. It's as simple as that to set up Siri on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.